What's up, guys? Same but different here today. This is Juan. Unfortunately, Danny couldn't be with us today, but hopefully in the next video. So today we're going to be working on the 2014 Ford Fusion. Going to be installing these new lights, the LED lights. Bought them on eBay for 50 bucks. Low beams, high beams. They should be plugged in and play. So hopefully, you know, they work and everything looks fine. The only problem with the 2014 Ford Fusions, or just Fords itself, is that you cannot reach through here to take the lights off. So what you have to do is that you have to remove the whole front bumper and then take the headlights out a little bit. So that's what I'm currently working on. Very easy tools, you know. This thing goes in the top. There's a few clips that just go in here. There's some T-sockets I've also been using, and then 10mm bolts that go right here. They're just to remove the headlight, and that's pretty much it right now. So I'm gonna be removing these bolts right here. This is a Mercedes C250 2012. This is my buddy Melvin right here. So today, you know, this car's too quiet, man. So right now we're just gonna do an exhaust leak. We're not really gonna cut off anything, just doing something very quick and easy. So we're just gonna be doing an exhaust leak. So this is what it sounds right now. All right, so let's see the after. We're done. We just took this little piece of metal off right now, so currently unhooked the muffler because that little piece didn't really do anything. So let's see what it sounds like. Okay, now that my friend left, we're gonna keep working on the lights of the Ford. So right now, haven't made any progress. So right now, we're gonna keep removing some clips and some screws under the bumper and the side, and then finally removing the bumper and then sliding the headlight out. All right, so I just finished removing the bumper. I don't want to really unplug none of those cables over there, or you know, the sensors and the rad and everything. So I want to leave it as is. I'm just gonna be working on here. I have to take this bolt out right here. 10mm bolts that go right there, and this should slide right out. So before I forget, this is how they look. This is the low beams. Those are the low beams. High beams. Just loosen up the bumper. You could take it off. Just don't want to take all of those cables out. But we're gonna be replacing this, which is the low beams, high beams right here. So yeah, let's see how everything goes. All right, so we put everything back together. As you can see, you gotta make sure that the bumper aligns with the fender. Right here in the lights, you don't want them to go very in or way outside. Another thing that happened to me when I was putting it back is that I had to lose the fender right here a little bit. So when I loosen it, when I put it back, I didn't put it back far enough in. So it was like a huge gap in here. So you gotta make sure you put that all the way back in there. You know, make sure it sits pretty flush. This is the final product. And this is what it looks like inside. see, this is the low beams, high beams, low beams, high beams. Welcome back. So as you guys just saw, that was a drive for the Ford at night. I forgot to take a video of the other lights that I had before, but you guys get the point. They look so much brighter, and then it looks so much better in the road. I'll definitely recommend that for you guys to do. You know, it's a very easy job to do. In this car, it's a little difficult just because you have to remove the bumper, but even so, it's very easy to do, so don't get scared about that. Also, make sure you guys subscribe, like, leave a comment down below on what should I do better or what should I do more of. Also, if you guys didn't like that transition from like the headlights and then going to the Mercedes to like working on the Ford again, let me know down in the comments. I thought it was cool because that's how pretty much my day goes. You know, I'm working on something and then my friend just pulls up and says he wants to do something, and it happens a lot. You know, I'm just doing something at home and then someone just says, hey, I need help with this. I just go outside and then help them with that. So that's that. Also, if you're not a car person, don't worry about it. This is not only going to be a car channel, if that makes any sense. Once this whole thing that's going around the world goes by, Danny and I are actually going to sit and introduce ourselves to you guys. Make sure, you know, we let y'all know how do we meet and how our little backgrounds are and how do we live and what do we do for like living, because believe it or not, we actually have to have an income, so I could give some strategies out there. So yeah, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, please do, and like the video, because the more you like it, the more content I'm gonna have, because it just tells me that you guys enjoy it. If there is no likes, then that just tells me that you guys didn't enjoy the content, so why do the same thing? So that's that for today. Thanks for watching, and then we'll see you on the next video.